Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to explore something truly massive, a record-breaking feat of engineering that defies belief. We're talking about the longest bridges on Earth, structures so vast they seem to stretch to the horizon and beyond. Before we get into these colossal marvels, if you love big-scale documentaries and discovering the incredible things humanity can build, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss an adventure with us. Now, let's dive in. Bridges are so much more than just steel and concrete. They are powerful symbols of ambition, connecting distant places and bringing people closer together. They represent engineering brilliance pushed to its absolute limits and stand as testaments to human determination. Today, we're going to uncover the stories behind the world's longest bridges, exploring their unbelievable scale, the immense challenges faced during their construction, and the profound impact they've had on the world. Our journey begins with the undisputed king of all bridges, a structure so long it's hard to even comprehend. Let's start with the Danyanganchan Grand Bridge in China, the longest bridge ever built, stretching an almost unimaginable 164 kilometers, or 102 miles. This absolute giant holds the Guinness World Record as the longest bridge on the planet. It's a continuous structure that carries a high-speed rail line, connecting two of China's most populated and economically vital regions, Shanghai and Nanjing. Imagine the sheer audacity of this project. The bridge doesn't just cross a single river or a valley, it traverses a vast and complex landscape. It soars over rivers, glides across enormous lakes, slices through fertile rice paddies, and even spans entire cities and valleys. Building something of this magnitude was a monumental undertaking. The construction took 4 years to complete and required a workforce of more than 10,000 people. The amount of material used is staggering: over 450,000 tons of steel and 2.3 million cubic meters of concrete. That's enough steel to build nearly 65 Eiffel Towers. But what's even more impressive is the engineering intelligence behind it. The Danyanganchan Grand Bridge is located in a seismically active area, so it had to be designed to withstand powerful earthquakes. Engineers developed and implemented advanced seismic isolation techniques to ensure its stability and safety. It's not just a bridge, it's a land-based dragon of steel and concrete, winding its way across the Chinese landscape. Next on our list, we're staying in China to look at another behemoth, the Tianjin Grand Bridge. While it's the second longest bridge in the world, it's a giant in its own right, covering an incredible 113 kilometers. Like the Danyanganchan, this bridge is a vital part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, allowing trains to maintain incredible speeds without being slowed down by tricky terrain or urban areas. What makes the Tianjin Grand Bridge particularly fascinating is its construction method. Building a bridge over 100 kilometers long presents enormous logistical challenges. The solution was a marvel of efficiency. Modular construction: the bridge is composed of hundreds of identical prefabricated box girders, each weighing a massive 860 tons. These massive sections were built in specialized manufacturing yards, often miles away from the construction site. Think of it like assembling a colossal set of Lego pieces. These gigantic segments were then transported to their designated locations and precisely lifted into place by massive cranes. This assembly line approach dramatically sped up the construction process and ensured a high level of quality control and consistency across the entire structure. The result is a seamless, incredibly strong viaduct that allows high-speed trains to glide effortlessly above the ground. The Tianjin Grand Bridge is a masterclass in modern, efficient construction on an epic scale. Now, let's travel to Thailand to see a different kind of long bridge, the Bang Na Expressway. At 55 kilometers long, this elevated highway floats high above the bustling, traffic-clogged streets of Bangkok. For a time, it held the title of the longest highway bridge in the world, and it remains one of the most impressive urban infrastructure projects ever completed. Unlike the rail bridges in China that cross rural landscapes, the Bang Na Expressway is an urban solution. It was designed to alleviate Bangkok's notorious traffic congestion by creating a massive 6-lane superhighway in the sky. It allows vehicles to bypass the city's complex network of streets and intersections, dramatically cutting down travel times. Built from miles and miles of reinforced concrete, this elevated toll road is a lifeline for commuters and commerce in one of Southeast Asia's busiest megacities. What makes the causeway so unique is the feeling you get while driving across it. Drivers often describe the experience as surreal and almost hypnotic, as if you're floating across an ocean with no beginning and no end. It's a testament to bold 1950s engineering, a straight shot across the water that creates a truly unforgettable driving experience. Finally, we return to China for our last stop, a bridge that is not only exceptionally long, but also incredibly beautiful. The Jiaozhou Bay Bridge, this stunning sea bridge, located in Qingdao, is a marvel of both engineering and aesthetic design. It's a complex structure that includes a main cable-stayed section, a suspension bridge, and a long viaduct, all combining to create a total length of over 42 kilometers. What makes this bridge so spectacular is its route. It gracefully curves across the open waters of Jiaozhou Bay, connecting the bustling city of Qingdao with its suburbs and the airport. Before its construction, the journey around the bay took over an hour. The bridge cut that travel time by more than half, transforming the region's economy and daily life. The design is elegant, with sweeping curves and soaring towers that make it a true landmark. It proves that massive infrastructure projects can be both functional and breathtakingly beautiful, an architectural icon that reshapes the very landscape it occupies. From land-spanning giants to ocean-crossing wonders, these bridges prove that when human ambition is combined with brilliant engineering, absolutely nothing is impossible. They are more than just connections. They are bold statements of progress, shaping our world in profound ways. If you enjoyed this incredible journey through the world's longest bridges, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let us know which of these colossal bridges surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.